In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your microphone is not working on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should go back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select System, and then on the right side, go ahead and select Sound. Scrolling down underneath Input, make sure your microphone device is listed here. If not, you may have to go ahead and pair that new device, especially with the wireless or Bluetooth headset. And if you're having problems with your microphone, just select the microphone option, and then you can make sure the input volume is turned all the way up to the right here, so make sure that's turned up. And if for whatever reason the option up here says allow, you want to go ahead and select that. So right now it's turned on, but if it said allow instead, you would select that, meaning that you've turned it on and allowing that apps on your device to use that device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.